Good afternoon, everybody. Yes, I finally got to try a vaxee mouse. Officially, I can say that. So, unfortunately, you only can get vaxee products only from vaxee directly. I got the E1, the 4K wireless version. I'm not going to tell you what color it is because you either can watch the video or you can try to guess it, but that's kind of stupid anyway because then you just watch the video and say, oh, he got this color. So, $139.99. I'm excited to try this mouse. I never tried it before. So let's see what's inside the box itself, shall we? What's inside the box? Actually, I want to rip this thing. Hold on, I don't want to rip this thing and damage it. It's just a case. I need to return it. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go. Nothing else in the box. You don't need drivers for this mouse, which is awesome. Which you can adjust everything on the fly. Rubberized cable, USB-C to USB Type A. The mouse itself, and now we just need to find the power cord. I mean, not power cord, Jesus. I mean, the wireless receiver. So we need to open this carefully. And voila. The wireless receiver itself. I just want to open this. So this is the wireless receiver. USB Type-C. So it looks very small and compact. Rubberized feet at the bottom, so it won't go anywhere. And finally, voila. Whoa. Ho, ho, ho. Ooh. This mouse feels really, really freaking comfortable. Let's do a quick side button check. Good, okay. Let's do a quick sound test. Comes with big ass mouse feet, which is nice. Doesn't have no RGB, so it doesn't bother me. It doesn't matter. But this thing feels really good in the hand. Wow. Wow. Let's see. Let's do a quick sound. Let's see quality if I hear any tweaks. Flexing. No. Oh wow, this thing for the price can't go wrong. Also, right here it tells you a little bit of small LED indication right there. It tells you the DPI, what stage is at. So I'm really gonna have to sit down here and read all the stuff. So, and then it tells you the lift-off distance where all of them lights up. It goes to 4,000, which is nice. So I need to plug this thing in, ready to go. So let's do that. So give me a second, ladies and gentlemen. Stand by, let me set everything up. And I'll show you how it looks when it's set up. So the mouse is ready to go. Pretty easy to use. You can easily adjust the polar rate and the DPI and also your lift-off distance as well. Which this mouse, whew, it feels really good in the fucking hands. I really love this mouse. I just want to start playing. So any questions you guys want to ask me, you can ask those questions down in the comment section. Until then, I am signing off. I'm going to have fun with this mouse. Goodbye.